And so this is the arrangement we're going to use for the switching cigarette lighter in the armrest for the CX5. We've got this vampire type device up here, 15 amp. It comes off a 7.5 amp socket, and we go up to the 15 amp, which I managed to blow the fuse on, so very handy. So we'll plug this in and we'll be able to get switching instead of on all the time. Right, so with the CX5, the fuse you want to pull, here's the little tool they give you for doing the pulling. There's this third one down. You grab it, pull that 15 amp fuse out. Put that over there temporarily. And we're also going to pull out this 7.5 amp fuse. There are some open slots, but we've noticed that there's nothing in them. There's no wiring in them. Right, so that's a 7.5 amp fuse out. Now I'm going to drop our little attachment in. And I need both hands for this. So we have the device in place, so we're actually vampiring off this 7.5 amp through the wire to the feeding side, which is that side of the fuse box. This closer side is the hot side, so we don't want that. So this is a blown fuse we've put back in, so we're not getting the feed from here, we're getting it from this one. So now it's in place. Let's go see if we've got any current flow. Right, so we're into the armrest here, and we've plugged in this device, which is a converter to give us some extra outlets, which we got off of Best Buy. So right now we're sitting in the car and it's off. Previously it was on. So now if we turn the ignition on, you see the blue lights there? We now have power. So now we can run our accessories, and it's only going to come on when the ignition is on. If you turn it off, there it goes. So we won't flatten the battery. I think that's a better mod. I don't know why it was on all the time anyway.